Present continuous sentences. I am brushing my teeth. She is washing her hands. They are eating breakfast. He is drinking water. We are getting ready for school. I am cleaning my room. She is cooking dinner. He is ironing his clothes. They are washing the car. I am feeding the cat. She is helping her mother in the kitchen. He is talking on the phone. We are watching TV. They are playing in the garden. I am taking a shower. She is reading a book. I am writing an essay. They are learning English. He is studying for the test. We are doing our homework. She is solving a math problem. I am listening to the teacher. They are asking questions. He is answering the question. We are sitting in the classroom. She is reading aloud. He is drawing a picture. They are writing in their notebooks. I am using the dictionary. She is memorizing new words. I am typing an email. She is attending a meeting. He is giving a presentation.